Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture I am going to discuss about a stable and unstable system. What do you understand by a stable system? A stable system is a system that follow Bibo criteria, that is bounded input and bounded output criteria. That means a system for bounded input have to give a bounded output. So what is the meaning of bounded input? A signal is called bounded when it lies within a finite value. That means it lies within a finite value. Example, sinusoidal signal. We know that sinusoidal signal lies within -1 and 1. So that sinusoidal signal is called bounded signal. Let this is a system and xt is its input and yt is its output, and a waveform of xt will be like that and waveform of output will be like that. We can see that xt lies within this interval, so it is called bounded input, and if output yt lies within this interval, then it is also bounded. So for a bounded input, that system gives a bounded output, therefore this is called a stable system. So it follows Bibo condition where bounded input have give bounded output, then that system is called a stable system. Let us see some unbounded output. If a system is like that, input signal will be that sinusoidal signal t and xt. We know that it is lie within positive and negative 1, and that system has output of, let its output is that ramp signal. We know that ramp signal goes from 0 to infinity, so it will not bounded, its maximum value is infinity. So for bounded input, that system will not give bounded output, so this one is unstable system. We can see some other oscillatory signal like that. If a signal is like that, this sinusoidal signal, and we have to comment about whether it is bounded or unbounded. One signal is like that and another signal is this one. Here its amplitude is decreasing, and another signal is like that, its amplitude is increasing. So we have to comment whether it is bounded or unbounded signal. This one is second and this one is third. We can see that its amplitude is decreasing, it is damped oscillation, and it attains some particular value, so that signal is bounded signal. That values come from this particular limit to that particular limit, so it is bounded signal. But its amplitude from that particular value 1 goes to infinity, so that signal is unbounded signal. So output of any signal is like that unbounded signal, then that signal will be unstable. Let us see a system of output yt equal to txt, and we have to check whether it belongs to a stable system or unstable system. Let xt is bounded and its value is 1, then its output yt will be t. If we put xt equal to 1, then its output yt equal to 2. We know that output yt equal to 2 is unbounded output because its graph is like that. So for bounded input, its output is unbounded. So that type of system is unstable system.